All right. Lately, I've been asked if I do my own filming and editing, or if I hire someone to do it for me, for my online courses, demos, and videos. And I wish that I hired someone to do it, but no, I am doing this all myself. And so today I'm testing out another microphone because the audio is really a challenge. So I have an old iPhone that is hooked into, I forget what they call it, some kind of little microphone. And because it doesn't keep its charge, it's hooked into one of those great units that you plug into your wall and works as both 3 outlets, and also I can charge 4 USB devices on it. So that's down there. I have a GoPro here, which is great. It's the newer one that's not very expensive, and it has a screen on the back so that I can actually see if all of you can see what I'm talking about. And I am talking right now to you looking at a Rilo, which is the 360 camera, which is just awesome. It's the camera that I used to film me painting when I was paragliding with my son Michael. And it's great because I can decide, I can edit it so that you can either see what I'm painting, or you can see the expression on my face, or you can see what I'm looking at, or what's going on around me that I'm not paying any attention to. I can pick and choose and show you all those things, or I can upload just the whole file. And if you wear these awesome goggly things, you can pick and choose to see what you want to see. You can just look at the scenery and ignore what I'm doing, or you can look at what I'm doing, or you can look back behind you and see my son who's piloting the wing, or you can look up at the wing. It doesn't matter. You can pick and choose what you want to see.